All right, shooters, at this time, go ahead, turn around, baseline range, and get into a good prone position. Remember you're breathing, and trigger could...
Esimesel päeval me viisime Ameerika merejalaväelastele läbi orienteerumisõppe, kuna maastik on nende jaoks piisavalt tundmatu. Tegu on siis Lõuna-Californiast ennekõike pärit mariinidega, kelle nii-öelda põhiliseks maastikuelemendiks on kõrb ja sattudes metsa, siis kõigepealt on vaja, et nad üldse selle õppusega hakkama saaksid, neid tutvustada selle metsaga. Ja see õnnestus väga hästi, lisaks sellele alates siis eilsest meil on käigus väljaõppekohad, kus üksused roteeruvad. Igapäevaselt on neil üks teema, mida läbitakse ja see jätkub nüüd veel mõned päevad peale, mida me alustame lahinglaskmistega, et siis lõpuks viia läbi üks taktikaline õppus.
So far, the cooperation has been excellent. It's been very good working with the Estonian military. All the Estonian instructors that we've had have been extremely professional. All the Estonian soldiers that we've come in contact with, very professional and a very good relationship with the Marines.
Ma arvan, et mariinidelt meil ei olegi nii palju õppida, kuivõrd nendel meilt, arvestades seda, et meie oleme oma nii-öelda kodukamaral, me oleme harjunud sõdima selles olustikus, mis meid ümbritseb.
Right side clear! Left side clear! Over at check! Check it! Check, clear! Room clear! Door to the front, stack on B, split stack!
Well, as reservists, we are professional Marines. We have both full-time and reserve units, but we are both professional. And in the U.S., the Marine Corps Reserve units are deployed. This unit was deployed last year. We were in Iraq for 6 months. So the reserve component is an important part of the total force structure for the military.
Learning how to survive in these kind of forests is something that most of us didn't know how to do. So it was a treat to learn from the Estonians how to camouflage ourselves and learn how they survive out here.
Move back here, unless it's further.
Yeah. It's true. All right, but anyway, it's good effort.
And again, the TCAM, fire road, is suitable for you for the fight?
It's going to be a little bit different, even though I have visited Estonia before in the year 2003. I've noticed that I couldn't believe this could be so nice out here. It's a pretty beautiful country, and my Marines are having an excellent time training out here. It's easier, it's not like the desert, so that's a pretty good thing.
Hey, give me some moss for the inside right here.
Oh, there you go.
Moss.
There you go. Grossman, don't do more down on the bottom right there.